Ever stared at a mesmerizing neon sign, its glow casting a hypnotic spell? You probably wondered, can I just leave this beauty glowing all night? Won't it overheat? Explode? Set my house on fire? Neon lights, with their vibrant hues and unique aesthetic, have captivated us for decades. From vintage signs to modern art installations, their allure is undeniable. But beyond their visual appeal, a practical question lingers: are they safe to leave on overnight? Let's dive deep into the world of neon, exploring its inner workings and uncovering the truth about their all-night operation. First things first, let's understand how these luminous wonders actually work. Neon signs, contrary to popular belief, don't actually contain neon gas in all instances. While classic neon signs utilize neon gas, modern versions often employ other noble gases like argon, krypton, or xenon, each producing distinct colors. These gases are housed within glass tubes, meticulously bent and shaped to form the desired design. An electrode is inserted at each end of the tube, and when a high-voltage electric current is applied, the gas inside ionizes, emitting a brilliant glow. Now, the burning question: overheating and potential fire hazards. The good news is that neon signs are designed with safety in mind. The glass tubes are incredibly durable and can withstand significant temperature fluctuations. Heat dissipation: the glass itself acts as a heat sink, effectively dissipating the heat generated during operation. Low operating temperatures: while the gas inside the tube does heat up, the overall temperature of the sign remains relatively low. Modern manufacturing: advancements in manufacturing techniques have further enhanced the safety and durability of neon signs. However, it's crucial to note that these are general observations. The risk of overheating can vary depending on factors such as the size and complexity of the sign. Larger signs naturally generate more heat. The type of gas used: some gases may produce more heat than others. The ambient temperature: higher ambient temperatures can exacerbate heat buildup. The quality of the sign: poorly constructed signs may be more prone to overheating. While the risk of fire is generally low, it's always wise to exercise caution. Regular inspections: periodically inspect your neon sign for any signs of damage, such as cracks or loose connections. Proper ventilation: ensure adequate airflow around the sign to prevent excessive heat buildup. Avoid obstructions: keep flammable materials away from the sign. Use a timer: consider using a timer to automatically switch off the sign after a certain period. Professional installation: if you're unsure about any aspect of neon sign safety, consult with a qualified professional for installation and maintenance. Let's tackle some common concerns. Will leaving it on overnight shorten the lifespan of the sign? Prolonged use will naturally shorten the lifespan of any electronic device, and neon signs are no exception. However, with proper care and maintenance, they can last for many years. Will it increase my electricity bill significantly? Neon signs are generally energy efficient, but leaving them on continuously will undoubtedly increase your energy consumption. While leaving neon lights on overnight generally poses a low risk, it's crucial to exercise common sense and prioritize safety. By understanding the factors that can influence heat buildup and taking appropriate precautions, you can enjoy the mesmerizing glow of your neon sign without worry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.